Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of your Polyglot Academy. In this series where we're going to attempt learning German as fast as possible. Today we're going to talk about interrogative pronouns. As in English, also in German we can introduce a question with an interrogative pronoun. So what is an interrogative pronoun? We're going to talk about that today. Here you can see a table with the main interrogative pronouns. So we'll start with the first one. Wer, which means who. And an example would be the phrase Wer bist du, which means who are you? Was means what. An example would be the sentence Was machst du, which means what are you doing or what do you do right now? The third one is wann, which means when. And an example would be Wann warst du hier, which means when were you here? The fourth one would be wo, which means where. And an example sentence would be Wo bist du, which means where are you? Warum means why, and an example would be Warum tust du das, which means why are you doing it? Continuing on, number 6 is wie, which means how, and an example would be wie viel, which means how much. Now we have also welche, which means which, and an example would be welche nimmst du, which means which ones are you picking. Now we have wohin, which also means where, but only while talking about a motion to a specific place. And you can see it directly from the example. Wohin gehst du means where are you going, and it is basically explaining a motion to a specific place. And because of that, we're saying wohin gehst du and not wo gehst du, because we are having a motion to a specific place. And the last one is going to be woher, which also means where, but in this case from where, and so it is basically a motion from a specific place. So for example, we have the sentence woher kommen Sie, which means where do you come from, in the sense that that person is coming from a specific place, or that his origins are from a specific place. So we have a motion from a place. So here you can see the examples. And following on, it is also fundamental to know the position of these interrogative pronouns. Here you can see how they are normally positioned in a simple interrogative sentence. And it is basically before the verb. We have the pronoun, then the verb, and at the end we have the subject. So you can basically see that the pronoun is situated before the verb. And you can see it also from the first sentence, from the example sentence. Wer bist du? In this case, we have the pronoun wer, then we have the verb bist, and then at the end, the subject du. Now, this is also true for a more complex sentence, and you can see right here how we form an interrogative sentence with an interrogative pronoun. And you can basically see that it's basically the same. It just precedes the modal verb at the beginning of the sentence. So we have the pronoun and the verb, in this case the auxiliary verb, because it's a complex sentence. Then we have the subject, and then the end, main verb. And you can see the example. Wann kannst du kommen? Wann is the pronoun. Kannst is the verb. Du is the subject, and the verb, main verb, is kommen. So this is an example where you can see that pronoun is situated before the auxiliary verb, before the first verb. In order to conclude this lesson successfully, here are some exercises and try to do them. Try to enter the correct interrogative pronouns and comment down below your solutions, and I will give you a direct feedback to that. And other than that, thanks for listening, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more lessons on how to learn German in about a month. We're going to upload lots of videos in the next days, so stay tuned for more and have a nice day.